Hey guys, welcome to the very first acrylic painting series of our channel, Fani by Aisha. Here you can see some of my paintings which I have painted in the beginning when I go with acrylics. You can see I have used black and white acrylic and then added some more color and keep adding and experimenting with more colors. So don't worry if you are interested in acrylic painting but don't know from where you should start, I am here to help you guys. So let me introduce you what you'll learn in this series, but I'll be happier if you subscribe my channel first and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. In the series, you will learn about the basic and advanced materials required for acrylic paintings, how to mix colors, basic drawing techniques for painting. I'll demonstrate in detail about brushes, giving tips and techniques, various blending techniques for acrylics and how to control acrylics, how to create abstract designs and patterns using acrylics. Then I'll show you how you can create different objects like trees, clouds, mountains and much more using acrylics in simple and easy way. In today's video, I'll focus on basic materials required for acrylic painting. Very first thing you need good quality acrylics. I'll recommend you to purchase primary colors like red, paper towel or tissue paper to wipe off extra paint from your brushes, some water in a jar or a mug to clean your brushes, and a spray bottle which is very helpful while blending acrylics. I hope my today's video will be helpful for you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to like and share the video to others. Thank you.